Welcome to Luxe Estate Finders. Do yourself a favor and stop saving your money. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and wish to become a millionaire? Well, guess what? It's time to stop saving and start investing and taking risks. In this video, we'll share 10 ways to become a millionaire through risk-taking, straight from the experts. So, buckle up and get ready to transform your financial future. The first step to becoming a millionaire is to shift your mindset. Stop thinking about saving every penny and start thinking about making your money work for you. Millionaires invest their money, and they aren't afraid to take calculated risks. Embrace this mindset and prepare for the journey ahead. Next, you need to educate yourself about investing. Read books, watch videos, and follow successful investors online. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to make smart investment decisions. Remember, knowledge is power, and it's the best way to minimize risk while maximizing returns. Now, it's time to start investing in stocks. Experts agree that investing in the stock market is one of the best ways to build wealth. Look for companies with solid financials and a history of growth, and don't be afraid to take risks on up-and-coming businesses with promising futures. Another great investment option is real estate. Many millionaires have built their wealth through smart property investments. Start by researching the market and looking for undervalued properties with potential. Be prepared to put in the time and effort to manage your investments and watch your wealth grow. Diversification is key when it comes to investing. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This will help minimize risk and maximize returns, ultimately leading you closer to becoming a millionaire. One of the most crucial risk-taking strategies is to invest in yourself. This means improving your skills, knowledge, and abilities to increase your earning potential. Consider going back to school, attending workshops, or obtaining certifications that can help you excel in your field. Another essential aspect of risk-taking is networking. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your passion for investing and wealth building. These connections can help you learn about new investment opportunities, provide valuable advice, and support you on your journey to becoming a millionaire. It's also important to have an emergency fund in place. While taking risks is essential for building wealth, it's crucial to have a safety net for those times when things don't go as planned. Set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account, so you're prepared for financial setbacks. Don't be afraid to seek professional help. A financial advisor can provide valuable guidance and help you create a plan to achieve your millionaire goals. They can also help you navigate the complex world of investing and ensure you're making the best decisions for your financial future. Finally, remember that becoming a millionaire takes time and patience. Stay committed to your goals, learn from your mistakes, and continue to take calculated risks. With hard work, determination, and a little bit of luck, you'll be well on your way to joining the ranks of the millionaires. In conclusion, the road to becoming a millionaire is paved with risk-taking and smart investing. Shift your mindset, educate yourself, and start investing in a diversified portfolio. Invest in yourself, network with like-minded individuals, and seek professional help when needed. With perseverance and a commitment to your goals, you'll be on your way to financial success. Remember, fortune favors the bold, so don't be afraid to take those risks and watch your wealth grow. If you want to be a millionaire, stop saving your money and starting investing and taking risk. Here are 10 ways to be a millionaire through risk-taking from the experts. Have you ever wondered why some people become millionaires while others struggle to make ends meet? The secret lies in taking risks and investing. In this video, we'll share 10 ways to be a millionaire through risk-taking, as recommended by the experts. So, if you want to be a millionaire, stop saving your money and start taking calculated risks. Let's dive in. The first step towards becoming a millionaire is to embrace an entrepreneurial mindset. Entrepreneurs are risk-takers by nature, and they constantly seek out new opportunities to grow their wealth. Start by identifying a problem in the market and create a solution that adds value to your potential customers. Be prepared to face challenges and learn from them, as it is all part of the journey. Next, educate yourself on various investment strategies. The more you know, the better equipped you will be to make informed decisions about where to invest your money. This includes understanding different investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even cryptocurrencies. Knowledge is power, and it's essential to make well-informed decisions to minimize risk and maximize returns. Speaking of investments, diversifying your portfolio is a must. Putting all your money into one investment is risky and could lead to significant losses if that investment fails. By spreading your money across various investments, you can reduce your overall risk and increase your chances of success. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Now, let's talk about real estate. Many millionaires have built their wealth through strategic real estate investments. This could involve purchasing rental properties, flipping houses, or investing in commercial real estate. The key is to do thorough research, understand the market, and make smart decisions that will lead to a positive return on investment. Another essential tip is to invest in yourself. This means constantly learning new skills, staying updated on market trends, and seeking mentorship from successful individuals. By investing in your personal and professional development, you'll be better equipped to identify and seize opportunities that come your way. Don't forget the power of networking. Building relationships with successful individuals and surrounding yourself with a supportive network can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable insights into wealth-building strategies. Attend industry events, join online forums, and engage with others on social media to expand your network. One of the most effective ways to build wealth is to create multiple streams of income. This can include side hustles, freelance work, or even starting a new business. Having multiple sources of income not only reduces your reliance on a single paycheck, but also increases your earning potential, allowing you to invest more and grow your wealth faster. Embrace failure and learn from it. No one becomes a millionaire without experiencing setbacks along the way. The key is to view these setbacks as learning experiences and use them to make better decisions in the future. Remember, failure is just a stepping stone to success. Stay disciplined and focused on your financial goals. Becoming a millionaire won't happen overnight, and it requires hard work, dedication, and self-discipline. Create a plan and stick to it, making adjustments as needed. Keep your eyes on the prize, and don't let temporary setbacks deter you from your ultimate goal. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Building wealth takes time, and it's important to stay the course, even when things get tough. Trust in your abilities and the strategies you've put in place, and continue to work diligently towards your goals. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is $1 million net worth. In conclusion, becoming a millionaire requires a shift in mindset, calculated risk-taking, and strategic investments. By following these 10 expert tips, you'll be well on your way to joining the ranks of the millionaires who have successfully built their wealth through risk-taking and smart investments. So, what are you waiting for? Stop saving and start taking action today.
Thank you for being a part of the Luxe Estate Finders experience, where we report all things luxury across the globe. Please like this video and subscribe to join the full experience. We'll see you in luxury on the next video with Luxe Estate Finders.